Hi there, welcome along to another edition of the Extra Time Unlocked right here on Gaga CFM. Kamalamu Ayanda Waganyuswa, and I'm going to be the host of this week's edition of a show. It is officially Soweto Derby week. The excitement is already building up for this big fixture, arguably the biggest fixture and most exciting fixture ekhona kwiBhola laseMzansi. Kaizer Chiefs is a host the Orlando Pirates FNB Stadium ngomgqibelo in the 184th edition of Soweto Derby. And what better way to build up to this particular game than to speak to a man who has been part and parcel of this fixture kuma-seasons adlule ePSL. Former Orlando Pirates defender, hard man, centre-back, Ayanda Mfokacaba is joining us today on the show. Mfokakithi, mkhaya wami lo waseShepstone. Kuhamba kahle?
No, kuhamba kahle.
Good to see you, my brother. I haven't seen you in such a long time. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi sasinawe siyobuka iDurban City neChippa United at Chatsworth, and I'm like, how? Ucaba, ngamgcina yini ucaba? Kuhamba kahle kodwa?
Bona kuyancengeka umuntu omdala. I wouldn't complain that much. I'm around. I'm busy with my boys. You know, I have small under 19 boys that I train. You know, so I'm a coach these days.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah, but I'm around.
Sure. So ngiyazi ukuthi la eMzansi kunomkhuba ukuthi abadlali bangasho mase beretire. So you officially retired.
Officially
sure.
It's been over 5 years manje. Yeah.
So officially full time as a coach sebenza nabafana abancane.
Yes.
All right. So kuningi ngifuna sikukhulume namhlanje, but mainly looking at Soweto Derby. But before we go to that, ngifuna siqale with your footballing career. Siyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bakwazi usudlala kwiPirates. This was around when you joined the club in 2012. But let's go back to Ayanda ePortshepstone. Was football the only thing for you, or would he? This is what I want to do. Ayikho into basically engibukayo engayenza with my life.
Actually, it was rugby. You know,
rugby.
Yeah. Abantu abaningi did ask, but you know, they were boggled about it. But I mean, it's what I chose. You know, at that time because of it was the first sport that was officially and like introduced to me to say, try something out and see what happens. You know, so I just said, let me just go along with the rap and see how it goes. But it came along very well, you know.
So this was a schooling?
Yeah, schooling at the primary level. You know, ngibona ukuthi nami ngislender nyana ngespeed, I can maneuver nyana. You know, I was like, man, I think I can play this sport because of ibhola uyaliphosa nje kuphela ukuthi ngemumva or straight awuliphasi phambili, you know. So those understandings from there I grew to love the game. Yeah.
So ibhola ke, when does football come in for you? Because you asho ukuthi rugby was the first thing that was introduced to you.
Yeah.
So when does ibhola come into the mix?
Ibhola lifike since high school, you know. I think I was doing grade 11.
Sure.
Yeah. Grade 11, yes. Just nje bengidlala namajita nje esikoleni ngithi ngiyasiza, you know, because of bebona okay abanawo ama numbers are enough because of besodlala nezinye izikole ebeyikhona igama lakhe commercially Olwandle High School kube yithini Galeni High, you know, so best compete nje amongst ourselves, you know. So ngathi I know, let me just go and add my numbers nje just yabo. Kanti my class teacher beka coach igama lakhe United, you know, so angibona ngidlala esikoleni. And then he was like, how? What was it like us? Yabo. So ngathi, hey, ngeke, but ngiright ngala esikoleni kuphela. Ngoba ngaphandle, but ifocus yami was kwi-rugby more than football. Yeah.
And then how do you land up in Witbank? Because the early records of you, Smazo, Ayanda Caba, FC Spurs, before you went to your Free State Stars, I think you spent iminyaka emibili khona. How do you end up in Mpumalanga from umfana osuka la ePortshepstone?
Namje bengila eThekwini actually ngizovakasha because of angithi phela mangiphuma eShepstone ngathi uthi ngishawa umoya ngize eThekwini ngizobona abala ekhaya yabo. And then ngaba semlazi and then from Mlazi ke ngabona ngidlalwa i-competition yaSLC ngadlala kuyona sayiwina. And then I was approached by uPhelelani uNgema wasesiphingo, you know. So what I know, uma une team eMpumalanga, why don't you go there, try out and see ukuthi kunjani. Ngathi mina ayi kodwa ngisayozama, mathi ayikhuleka uzosayina, don't worry, you know. So I was like, I know, anyway, it's fine, let me see. Because of rugby bengisamile for some time because of I had an injury, a collarbone cracked, you know. So I stayed 6 months without playing.
Ish.
You know, when I came back and then I focused a bit on football. You know, yeah, ngathi let me take a rest kwi-rugby kancane, so let me focus on football. And then from there I went to Mpumalanga. Stayed there for what, two years? Yeah. And then team number 1, yes, Barberton. They were going for my playoffs in Northwest. And then that's when they took some of the players, made a squad, and then we went for my playoffs.
So let's talk about lower 2 years wako lapha kwi-Witbank, because it doesn't seem like you had what you would call a formal raising bowler, like going through an academy. You asho ukuthi udlala rugby, and then you tried out bowler, and then you ended up with FC Spurs. So how was that? How important was Leo period empilweni yakho in terms of developing into a professional football player?
It wasn't easy because of football you play yabo. So bengifunda along the way ukuthi ibhola uyadlala kanje wenza kanje. Okay, ngabona ngathi okay, it's different from rugby, but it's playable and it's enjoyable. So angiqhubeke nako. So but ngifika le, it was all about just adapting to the new environment, you know, and new people. And then ngibona ukuthi ibhola laseMpumalanga lifane laseThekwini. You know, so for me bengifunda lokho and adjusting to all that.
So you jump now to Free State Stars. Is that like a big shock for you? Noma wosujwayele, or you felt like you've developed enough ukuthi usungathatha, because Free State Stars was a professional team at that time. So how was Leo transition for you from moving it to FC Spurs into Free State Stars?
Transition was not easy because of bengayijwayelanga crowd eningi. You know, besibe nalawo ama spectators la bekhona amancane because of udlala from Super League, Vodacom, yabo. But musu figure at that stage, it's quite different. And then pressure futhi nakhona ukuthi manje you've like signed a contract. Actually now it's professional. And then I've watched abanye, you know, because of bengibukela nje yabona abo Sundowns, Pirates, who Chiefs, obani ngibona some of these guys big players and all this stuff, but ngingalunga na mina because of manje sign a contract, so manje will I be able to compete now? Yeah.
So 2012 Orlando Pirates come knocking at your door, and this not just any Orlando Pirates in history. We're talking about a Pirates at a time where they just won a double treble. So a treble, winning the league back to back, winning your MTN 8, your Telkom knockouts at the time. So kuthini kuwena ukusainwa Pirates at that point in time, and how did the whole move came about? Was it your agent? Like, how did the move come about, and what did it actually mean for you? Ukuthi usuke Free State Stars to go to Orlando Pirates.
For me it was a lot, you know, because of ogunye happened very fast. But I would say I'm a boss who spoke. At that time, bengiphethwe Tim Sukas, you know, and then you know how things go. You know, you have your fallout and stuff. But at that time, I understand ukuthi agent, player, how it goes. But bengifunda ngendlela, you know. So, but uma sengiphuma from Free State Stars going to Pirates, it was something huge because of I was like, mina wonke going there, and then thinking of the players already abalapha, and nami ngithi nami I'm going there manje, I'm signed by Pirates, and you know, so kuningi bekudlala ekhanda, but I was like, it's at the end of the day, it's football, it's life. I'm going there to go and learn, and then to go and then improve from lo ayanda enguyena from Free State Stars manje. I'm going to a big team, so will I adjust, you know, will I play? I don't know, but if mina ngazi ukuthi what do I want, or courageous enough, you can do anything. So I was like, no man, it's football.
Football, man. Same thing you've been playing, go FC Spurs. Yeah. And then you arrive with Pirates. Do you remember how many Soweto derbies you played? Do you have a recollection?
Not that many, I don't want to lie. A couple of them, probably 3, 4, if I'm not mistaken.
4. Yeah.
Didn't play so much derbies, but
sure,
I was there, you know, to
go
say.
Con.
Yeah.
So do you remember a pressure corner around the game? Because it always fascinates me when people talk about a derby as if like there's a different energy about it. There's a different air from how we look at it.
Yeah.
But as I'm a fans, as people in the media, but as a player, how how is that bubble of a Soweto derby week going into a game? Siyazi ukuthi in most cases you don't need to beat the Chiefs in order to win a league, or you don't need to beat the Pirates in order to win a league. But there's so much emphasis on that game and so much hype around it. So what's your memories of Soweto derby as a player? Just going into the game, building up to it, maqala season, manthola ama fixture, looking at the calendar. What's your memories of Soweto derby as umdlali?
For me, uma ngiyibuka from before, before I even signed in J, I would see it's something big, and uma usukiyona, it's quite actually something else because of the pressure, ukuthi you must win, whether Tina besazi ukuthi if you play with Chiefs, whether it's home, away, friendly, for us there's no friendly. You have to beat them no matter what.
But it come kakubani pressure. I just want to understand. Kunina a changing room. Is it the coaches? Is it the management? It come kakubani. Who exerts that pressure? Or is it even the fans? Or you feel mhlawumbe petrol garage?
It's always the fans because of Bona. They wait for it ukuthi when that day comes.
Yeah.
Surely. Uma it's 3:00, 3:30. I'm there because of I know ukuthi on that day. Kukhona ozovuka ngomunye because of omunye uthola ukuthi uwinile omunye ubuya kuyilose or so it2 sikwi-win but still I want to beat this person no matter what.
So if form goes out the window, obviously.
Form iyaphuma noma ngathiwa uthi mina manje I'm at my best.
Yeah.
But on the day
hey,
it weighed all matters.
Yeah. So ngifuna shift manje and come to the present. Obviously, looking at Soweto derby that's coming up this weekend, Kaizer Chiefs hosting a Pirates at FNB. Your former team, Orlando Pirates, how they've been performing in this season, winning 2 domestic competitions so far, also competing with league. Just the assessment yako of a Pirates and how they have grown, because siyakumbula ukuthi under coach Jose Rivero, they were challenging for the league all the time.
Yeah.
Befika kuma cup finals, winning 5 trophies under Jose. Now coach Abdeslam Wadu coming in. People are even talking about ukuthi Pirates ngasi win wonke ama trophy. Obviously that can't happen now with Nedbank Cup getting knocked out there. But just the assessment yako of this particular Orlando Pirates team and how you feel they have been doing this season.
For this season, basenza kahle, even though CAF out, manje Nedbank out, so it means nje when your focus is e-league,
Yeah.
and already you have that small upper hand, but you have to be consistent, and it's gonna take them 10 times to stay there. So it means they have to work really hard because of sometimes it's chasing. Chiefs now is lurking somewhere there. Bakhona bosikhukhune bangaphazamisa. A lot of them bayifuna le nto la, bayifuna bathi nathi we want what you want. So you have to fight for it ngempela, not kancane. And in a squad anaso with the depth, they can clinch it, but bayazi ukuthi every game you play it's like a cup final.
Yeah.
Like manje nje weekend. Obviously nje manje for them if they win it, hook or crook, you lead kancane, but you awukho say ukuthi you are safe ukuthi manje I'm comfortable to say I'm going with the league. So hey, nama signings akhona, hey, on and off. Hey,
on and off kanjani ushabadlali? Is it the new players?
New players.
Yeah.
Because of akade bekhona last season bakhona bayadlala, but then you have to introduce new players and then coach inja how he wants them to play, philosophy yakhe, a lot, but sibe wakuzwa adapt bakwenze, but for yena ngathi they haven't done enough.
Yeah. On that point, do you feel Uwadu has done enough in terms of integrate labadlali abasha kahle in the team? Because ngiyakhumbula kuqala season a lot of people babe complain about the fact that ukuthi ufaka lamajita amasha very quickly. I think the Pirates even lost the first 2 games among opposites. So how do you feel about indlela abafake ngayo, blending the old players as well as the new players in the squad?
For me, this one it's on and off.
Yeah.
You know. So if born again as players, man, let me gel because of I can see already this thing is moving. So manje when you go on, ngathi awukho sure whether you're not, you know, do it because of manje thina masingaphandle people, fans, you know, maybe you brought new players, you want to introduce them ethimini kanjani, which games, because of you can't just say nje ngiyaintroduce because of manje ususayinile uphuma lapho uyashisa. It's not the same. Musufika ngala lapha you become ordinary. Yes, you're not a superstar or anything. Average siyafana, but manje ke what are you giving me a grounding?
Is this the best chance for Orlando Pirates to win the league, or is it the best Orlando Pirates since they won the league in 2012? Let's look at the last decade. With different coaches. Yeah. Is this the best Pirates that can end their drought?
Their drought, yes.
Yeah.
Their manje, yeah. I don't want to lie, yes. Manje, everything lies bona in there. It's in their hands. Manje, you say, I win this, at least I'm a step ahead kancane.
Yeah.
You know, but bear in mind with the games that are coming, who is coming, because of sometimes when you tell yourself as a player, as a team, Tina, there are people that are 6-pointers we league. There are those that are 3-pointers, 1 point. Thank you God, I go. You know, so manje isona sikhathi lesi ke manje sokuthi hayike, let's go there manje. Yeah. To collect.
So what's the one thing for you, the most important factor as usizi Pirates ukuthi iwin league namhlanje and get over the line? Given the fact that we know Sundowns, they have inkinga zabo, but what would you say is the one thing that Pirates need to nail down? Is it a mentality thing? Is it a coaching thing? Yini oyibonayo wena ukuthi this is what they need to absolutely nail on to win the league?
For manje and now going on forward, manje it's all about mentality. And then uyitshela ukuthi manje I have to grab every game that I play or get 3 points or a point, because of at the end it's gonna count.
Yeah. Let's talk about Omakhelwane. Kaizer Chiefs also in the title race. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi angisho ngangathi bakhohlwa, but they always seem to not put the Chiefs in that conversation yet title, but mathematically they are very much in it. What have you made of them? Because kade sikhuluma nawe of ukuthi Chiefs actually has, as things stand before game yabo neStelis, they have the best defense. With Betway Premiership, conceding 6 goals in 15 games.
Yeah.
But still kunaleyo nto leyo with ama fans not happy about the season. They're out of every cup competition. Basanda kuphuma na kwi-CAF. Where do you feel the Chiefs is this season in terms of how they are playing and what they are capable of?
The Chiefs is capable of a lot. They can do a lot if Bonanje. They can, I don't know whether try and sit down as players, because I wouldn't say this thing goes too much to coaches, man. I mean, I wanna always place a lot of irresponsibility to players. Team esidlalayo, team esiconnectayo. Lo muntu usinika structure, a few pointers, but the rest it relies kuthina as players. They have good players, I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
How to use those players to give you the right result.
So you feel it lies more on abadlali than the coaches?
I don't want to lie. I don't know if they want to chop me, they can chop me, but sorry, but it's how I see it.
Yeah.
You know? For me, it's players. It's players, I don't want to lie. Abasebenze, they can give more. I don't know.
So you basically believe ukuthi abadlali have it within themselves with the type of talents that they have, with the experience ekhona, with abadlali abafana no Ndlovu, abadlali abafana no Miguel, no Sirino. There's a lot of experience in that Kaizer Chiefs team. So you feel more than any coaching that it lies squarely on them.
On them. Yeah. You know, manje, for me, the best player with Chiefs, manje, Umabue, that guy, he gives his all. And I wish they can take that same mentality and put it to other players, bangabona Chiefs can be something else.
Yeah.
Hi.
So bengafuna ukubuza lo mbuzo, but your prediction on the game, looking at the way Pirates have been playing this season, the way Chiefs have been playing, bengafuna ukubuza because ngiyazi uyiBhakaniya vele.
Yeah.
Noma kusaksa ngiyazi uyiBhakaniya most umukhuluma nekhosi izothi hey kuzowina laba iBhakaniya nabo. But how are you more than your prediction? How are you seeing this game unfolding? Whether it's tactically, whether it's the ebb and flowing of a game, because Sabuga, the last time these two teams played, we final in Nedbank, yes, and we saw a very hungry Kaizer Chiefs team that was able to match up to the Pirates and eventually beat them. Are you seeing more of the same game, or do you feel like it Chiefs, after everything that has happened, the Pirates might just overpower them?
Pirates through and through.
Sure.
For me, I would love, and I want the Pirates to go through Kamnandi nje with no stress, 3 points, grab out, sibe right. But Chiefs, hey, yazi labantu bangakujikela eswini njengotshwala, so le game kumele we approach it right, you know, and I think Pirates can take 3 points. I don't want to lie, and with the current form and how they play, they make me happy, man. My people, sorry, Nikosi, got the ngeke chance. I know 3 points, yona. I know, surely. I mele ilala ngale Orlando nje kamnandi. I don't want to lie, but
bapheka bafana.
No, they're cooking, man. They're cooking.
Yeah.
Cocomelon, chef Sbone. You know, we have. So that's what I'm saying, Muti, with the confidence, nje, this game for me, Pagania, Kumele, ends and the right things, because of we might come back from, we might we too loosely, but they're too loosely. I mean, see keep a Monday is focusing with Derby, Monday Derby, your Nezoti, gents 3.
Yeah,
see end of the season.
Quickly before I let you go, ngifuna ukubuza nje some quick fire questions. Akuyona nje into ejulile ne deep, ungaze nje uyicabange kakhulu. Siyabuza uyaphendula, siyadlula. Best player that you have played with in your career. So whether it's from Free State Stars, Platinum Stars, Orlando Pirates. Best player that you have played with.
For me, it has to be Opa
Manyisa.
Yeah, that guy. Yeah.
How special was Opa?
Oh, it's very special for me. He's it's like, I don't know, Vum. You know, Kifle Remy.
Yes.
The younger version, or ngathi wafaka something, ngathi washiya.
Yeah.
Yes, what
reincarnated.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Bona that guy, yo. Yeah.
So how is it when as a teammate umubuka umuntu okanjalo? It's like asking, I'm not saying he's Messi, it's like asking a defender edlala no Messi ukuthi, like as a defender when you say move, you're just looking at this guy doing his magic. How is it for you to
it's like a marvel, you know, when say it's marvelous, it's because of whenever he plays, we are sure today, what is he going to do that is special?
Yeah. Do you feel as if he's underrated? Like looking at historically with PSL?
Yes, with the players that played during his Katse too, even before. That guy, he was underrated, but with this card, you know, people tend to but they grew to love the guy. Babona ukuthi no man, yazi kahle lana. Besingabonanga kahle.
Ace Manyisa.
Yeah.
Best player you have played against with PSL. So any team. Owakunikeza inkinga nje ukuthi yabona nje njengoba ngidlala emuva namhlanje nangu yeza lo muntu lo.
Ngamshisha Grobler.
Bradley Grobler.
Lo mlungu lo yamfowethu. Sniper.
Inkinga.
Technique wise khona. Nalo mlungu. mnandi umlungu.
So is it the technique like yini enzima ukudlala playing against him? Is it his technique? Is it his strength, or is it everything?
Everything Jay, the way he thinks, you know, because you know, as amanye strikers you'd predict them. You know, but that guy from nowhere, man, has something. That's why I need that guy.
Hey.
Net.
Still going strong for Tusadla.
Yeah, usadlala. That's something unenkani. Hey.
Toughest opponents you faced we saw at Derby from Kaizer Chiefs. Hey, awekho.
I didn't play against Umsona, guys. The one who babekhala ngaye too much.
How?
Ibipati lami. Awudlala magwala bebedlala lena, guys. Come on. Thina we always facing abo Kingston. Sifacane with
when ababhekana ne Chiefs ka Baxter ne?
Yeah, and those bona laba bese bephuma Umsona sebe 3.
How vetho mandla?
Hayi, the winger. Come on. Bayazi na ukuthi kodwa phela bayazi masingabe isicathulo siyalungisa. Yeah, you know. But nje bathi come on.
So akekho nje ungasho ukuthi hayi cha lona nje.
No.
Sleepless nights.
Hayi, besides ke abanye from other teams, maybe ke abo Mama Nyang with the height. Abo Mpoti Khanyeza naye se kusina sesezothi ngiya retire, but he was there. Bengazi ukuthi he at least ngiyolo nebhubesi, you know. Yeah. But but the rest are average guys, variety, yabo, yes.
This guy. Okay. So my next one is, which team is the best? The current Orlando Pirates team or the treble winners, the double treble winners?
Yeah, double treble guys.
No competition.
No competition.
How close are they from each other in terms of equality?
Quality wise, double treble had it all. Amachita lawa manje, a mixed bag, but yeah, it's cooking something.
They
have it in them. It's just that small push.
Sure.
Yeah.
Dane Clayt or Rele Mofokeng?
Ooh, Cocomelon or Legendary. Hey, ngoba mele ngihambe ne-legend bafethu ngeke
ngoba into alisadlala.
Yeah, be cross lo bhuti lo, be cross.
Nama free kick.
Kalati, ngeke.
So Dane Clayt. Captain Lucky Lekwati or
the special one.
Ombekezeli Mbokazi.
I know, legend.
Yeah,
skipper.
No, me unfair comparison ngoba ngikomparisha umuntu omdala
with the current one, and then the current one is manje, he's moved on, but he gave us something. He gave us something.
But on talent alone, I should
alone, the young one is more courageous, you know. He's he's there, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's obvious. I'll go with the skipper Summit any given day. Yeah, because that guy has carried the team, has carried us. No, skipper. Skipper. Yeah.
How good is Mbokazi for you as a defender? Looking at what he's done in his short time with Pirates and now moving over to AUS, also playing in Aguiba Bafana really well.
Top. I don't want to lie. You can see Uguti, they've cooked the boy, and I hope good man overseas he learns more, he comes back, he shares because of manje. I know just kuluma ngaye left and right, and he's doing the right things. It's just good nje, you have to mature, make better decisions, because for me manje he's a leader.
At such a young age.
At such a young age.
Yeah.
You know, so that's why I'm saying at any given day, that boy, I would give him a band and say, take it, lead us. Because you have it in you.
He's that good.
For me, he is. Yeah, when I'm for Ngezan, he was one person they were always crying about with Chiefs.
Okay.
But now you looked at good Wednesday, and where he is and what is he doing currently. You know, thina bese nama doubt.
Yeah, Ngezan.
Yes, but bamthatha bathi sokukhulisa, bamkhulisile manje bayambuyisa. You know, we are bearing the fruits of umuntu besimdoubt. You know, yeah.
Hi, you've said a mouthful. We're definitely going to be having more of these conversations. Ngoba siningi safuna ukuncela la kuwena as an almost double treble winner. Hey, now if it's now I say now once is it later. I don't. Wayishwela mfethu.
But
Wasala kancane.
Yeah, I know.
I know mfethu sabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Thank you so much my brother.
Thanks.
We really appreciate you sharing your knowledge and your experiences and your expertise on the beautiful game. Sabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho.
No, thank you and thank you listeners, and I hope ukuthi you will subscribe more, ukuthi vele Gagasi all the way.
And watch the Soweto Derby.
Watch the Soweto Derby. Gents, Pakania 3 points. Sekhaya, Slale, Mnandi weekend, please.
Danko, Saival.
Danko.
Thank you, maf. Hey, kanti khuluma mnandi kanje le ndoda le.
Yeah, 9 manje super sport